3, 2, 1, action!
He is Rika Roberts. She is Phoebe Walker. Join them as they navigate through life, love, and everything in between. Only on Life with Rick B.
Hi everybody! Welcome to another episode po dito sa Life with Rick B. And napaka-excited ko ngayon dahil magsisimula ang isang project na very excited ako and happy to be a part of, kasama ang isang direktor na nakatrabaho ko na noon. But this is gonna be like a proper period horror film. So isa to sa mga favorite genres ko, and syempre alam ko na napanood niyo ako sa Seclusion, and here I'm gonna play another character similar to Madre Cecilia. Kaya sasama ko kayo today and I hope you have fun. Hi! Kenny! This is Isa. Hi guys. Heaven. Line. Aray po. The freckles. Okay.
For now,
Sa Ate Carrie.
Hello po.
Matagal ko nang nakasama. Saan nga ba tayo? Sari-sari.
Walang tulugan din.
No tulugan days. Sabi ko na inisip ko dati, may itsura ko pagkalbo. Come true.
Friend, ba't ka nila kinalbo, friend?
Tapos may tats pa mamaya dito. I love it.
Mainit, friend.
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
May amoy lang yung latex.
Ah, talaga?
May amoy. Pero okay naman. Smile po. Nasa vlog po kayo.
Smile ka kayo nasa vlog ka.
Alright.
Ang galing, friend.
Bagay-bagay.
Yeah. Okay, parang gusto ko weirdly, yes. And you have a tattoo at the back.
Wow! That's so flat. Ang ganda po, no? Ang ganda po.
Sino ka dyan, friend?
As an angel of death.
Marker na lang po. Naghanap ka ng pants. Kukulit ka kasi naghanap ka ng panty dun sa yung challenge, diba that's a challenge. The challenge to get
entering, like you're looking for a mask. So quicker movements upon entering. Search, and then look at the camera as it's a spot. Pag naka-transform ka na sa
kayo na nag-lunch.
Okay.
Meron po. Or po, ID, and roll.
rolling.
Rolling, wait for instructions, and slower, action.
So it's my day 5 today. And bilang Josephine, kailangan ko ng black nails. Swerte ka. And Monique helping me with the nails. So today kasi i-film yung big jump scare scene.
May mark, yung marker no, kapag nag-stop na siya sa final marker niya, figure out yung beats and then we'll cue you na grab.
So nakatakip po sa bungangan.
Ang important pag walang ilampas para we see like
dapat may
rather than it's creepy or
Yeah, just drag it. Because if you carry me, you might.
Oh, I can. Yeah. I'll be out of character.
Yeah, perfect, thank you. And we're rolling. Red sky.
Opo.
And 3, 2, 1, panic and action. Tingin, scared, breathe, bigger mouth. Atras ka na konti, half step back, and grab. Relax. Build up. Exit. Cut.
Ayan, let's keep it. That's so gosh, she's so bald.
We are here at my last day sa Lilim. Malalaking scenes ang i-shoot namin. We're at the studio here in Makati, and I'm really excited to share this day with you, especially because Rico is here.
So, I'm back. Did you miss me yet? Oh, wait, I have a question. I see Colonel Sanders. KFC, watch out, right?
All of us. All of us.
How do you feel?
It's cool. But they built the set talaga dito sa studio. Kaya hindi pala siya green screen. Kaya totoo talaga siyang set. And that's our mother, Marisol. Galing. So the bedroom kasi has a hole there sa kaliwa. So it drops down and then this is where she lives. Touch it. But it's not rock, but mica, styro, sawdust, and cement. Galing. Hello po. Magalan.
Yung mga lilim, pivot pa. Yan, ganyan na yung final look nyo. And then, releasing and then a prayer.
What happened?
Yeah.
Part ng role, no?
Yes.
It is almost 9 p.m. Ano realizations mo being with me on set?
It's that you're bald, that we look alike. And work is not easy. Being an actor is not easy.
Bakit?
Because you have to hold on to your emotion. Everything takes time, especially with movies. It takes a lot of time and preparation. It takes a whole team to create one little scene from the detail. So whether it's the walls, the hollow blocks, whatever, galing. great stuff. So.
It's a wrap for Lily.
That's a wrap. Tapos na ako dito sa Lilim. It's been a really fun, challenging, kasi you know what? I don't have a lot of lines in the film, so it's more internal monologue for me as an actor. But I really had fun, kaya I really hope you enjoyed this episode. And please do watch Lilim whenever it comes out in cinemas. Support local films. Thank you, and thank you also, Rico, for coming with me and staying the whole day.
There's a car behind you.
Please do watch Lilim when it comes out in cinemas, and also thank you to my baby Rico for staying the whole day.
I'm the baby. I'm the Rico. So this is another episode of Life with Rick B. Till then, I'm Rick.
I'm B.
All right, catch you on the next edition.
Pag-ubos itong paragraph niya direct, saka sila
Pero sa third call.
practice mo sila.
Who said I love you?